Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am UJ Bala, and in this channel we talk about culture, tradition and lifestyle and language of Igbo. And today we're going to do Igbo greetings. So I'm going to teach you guys how to say Igbo greetings today. So if you want to take part in this video and learn how to say some greetings in Igbo language, which we have few ones anyway, relax and let's get started. So the first one is we are going to be saying hello in Igbo. So in Igbo we say kedu, hello in English, and in Igbo we say kedu. And normally when you say hello to someone and they reply fine or good, isn't it? So in Igbo we say odimma, odimma. So let's repeat it again. Hello, fine. And in Igbo we say kedu, odimma. Let's go back again. Hello, kedu, and you repeat fine, isn't it? Fine. And in Igbo we say odimma. So hello, kedu in Igbo, fine, odimma in Igbo. Okay, I hope you understand it. Yeah, so you just have to repeat the video again if you can grab it. So let's go to the next one, and the next one is good morning. Good morning. And in Igbo we say ebolachi, 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 ebolachi. So good morning in English, in Igbo ebolachi, ebolachi. So let's go to the next one. Good afternoon. In Igbo we say ndewo, ndewo. Good afternoon. In Igbo, ndewo, ndewo. So let's go back, let's go to the next one. And the next one is good evening. In Igbo, ndewo, ndewo. And let me explain. In Igbo language, we'll have the same greeting, the same way of saying good afternoon in Igbo as good evening, if you understand. So in English you say good afternoon, we say ndewo. And when you say good evening in Igbo, we still say ndewo. Do you understand it? Okay, right. Let's go to the next one. And the next one is good night. In Igbo is kachifo, kachifo, kachifo. So good night in English, and in Igbo you say kachifo, kachifo, kachifo. So let's go back again. The first one is hello. In Igbo you say kedu, kedu. Hello in English, Igbo you say kedu. And the next one, good morning. In Igbo you say ebolachi, ebolachi. Good morning in English, in Igbo we say ebolachi. Let's go to the next one. Good afternoon. And in Igbo we say ndewo, ndewo. Good afternoon. In Igbo we say ndewo. And next one, good evening. Good evening. In Igbo language we say ndewo, ndewo. Okay guys, let me explain. The good afternoon, good evening in Igbo language we use same word. So we say ndewo as good afternoon and ndewo as good evening. Do you understand? Okay, all right, let's go to the next one. Good night. In Igbo we say kachifo, kachifo, kachifo. So good night in English, and Igbo will say kachifo, kachifo. So I hope you guys understand it. Let's go back again. So the first one is hello, and Igbo will say kedu. And normally when someone say hello to you, you say fine, isn't it, or good. And Igbo will say odemma, odemma. So fine in Igbo is odemma. So let's go back again. Hello, kedu. I'm fine, odemma. Do you understand it? Okay, let's go to the next one. Good morning, ebolachi, ebolachi. And the next one, good afternoon, ndewo, ndewo. And the next one, good evening, ndewo, ndewo. And the next one is good night, kachifo, kachifo, kachifo. So guys, I hope you understand it. And if you don't right now, please go back to the video, repeat it over and over, and hopefully you will grasp it. So today I will stop here, and hopefully see you guys in my next